Hey everyone. Not that I have been doing nothing, it's just with everything going on, it's been kind of slow. Been doing a lot of other work. I got, lawnmowers and stuff like that I've been doing for people. That's why the Bronco videos haven't been coming out. But yeah. Today I figured I would show you. Let me get this where I can see what's going on. This mower here, it's a John Deere 165. Most John Deere's lawn tractors are the same. This one has no brakes. And I just got done doing the brakes on that one a couple weeks ago, so I figured I'd show you guys. First thing you want to do, get your tire off. Makes it a lot easier. Sometimes they can't come off because I actually thought the brake was on that side like it was on the other tractor. Spent the last 20 minutes trying to get that wheel off. She's rusted right tight to the shaft, won't come off. And I just happened to look, and the brakes are on this side. This is the brake actuator lever. There's a little disc to look up in there. That's what you want to look for. So yeah, you get the tire off. What you want to do, take the actuating rod off, which is take this cotter key out, loosen up this nut, take this assembly off. There's a bolt here, there's another one back here on this one. The other tractor was actually out in the open more. Let's see if I can get some light up there for you guys. Right there. Take those off, get everything all cleaned up. The disc actually will come off also. That one actually looks like it's got a nut holding it on. But I'll show you more as I start taking it apart. Okay, got the rod off. You can see here, this thing had nothing for the brakes. This nut's next. Just hope I got the right socket set. Yeah, that'll go. Maybe. Oh, I'll be right back. I get a different socket set. That one doesn't go big enough. Okay, now gonna want to take this one and that one out. I'm probably gonna have to get a wrench on this one, but we can use the other one to see what size that is. I'm guessing this one. Ooh, maybe not. Size smaller? There we go. Trying to work around touching that. It's not going so good. So I broke that loose with a 10 mil. I'm gonna go get a 10 mil wrench so I can get that other one. And once I get it off, I'll show you what everything looks like and needs to be done. Okay, it's off. This is what you're gonna get. You can see I got the brake pad right there. That normally sits inside this. And those two little nubs stick up here. And because of the shape of that piece there, you can see as it gets pulled on, it pushes down on those pins. Now normally, this nut here, the tighter you adjust it, the more it pushes on them. 99% of the time I've noticed on these, those pins are rusted in place. That's why I took this one all the way apart. But as you can see, those pins fall right out. So this brake just needed to be adjusted, but I took it apart to show you guys anyways. And putting it back together is fairly simple. That plate there, the other one didn't have that, which would have made it a lot easier to get to this because I couldn't actually get the wrench all the way on there because this was too close on this side. So I'm going to bend that back out of the way. Like I said, normally you just adjust it with this nut, which was on there. Once I put it back together and I'm actually adjusting it, I'll show you how that works. But this way you know if yours goes tight and you can't, it's still not doing anything. You know, you can look down and you can see those pins aren't moving. You'll know how to take her apart, and then you just shine up the pins a little bit after you hammer them out. And take this all the way off. Hammer them out gently this way. Clean them up. Yeah. So I'm gonna get all this stuff cleaned up. And I'll put it back together and show you how to adjust it. Okay, there it is all back together. Cleaned up. Now, I did not take the disc off because I didn't want to mess with that nut right there. There is another brake pad on the back side in line with the one that's on here that it pushes against. I'm assuming it's fine. This one had plenty of meat on this side. So, get everything back together. I have it lubed with anti-seize just because I put it on everything. Because I have it and I just don't like fighting rust. I live in northern Wisconsin where there's lots of rust. So to adjust this, you run it till it's just about touching. And you can see I put the strap off to this side because this nut or this bolt's easier to get at. Do it just touching. See, it seems a little tight on that one, so I'm going to back it off to the hair. And then you come over and you feel how the pedal feels. You want to make sure there's free travel, but you want to make sure it does engage. I'll try sticking you guys over where you can see what's going on. So I can see, sorry if it's a little shaky, that's engaged. I got about half the pedal yet. So I'm going to put the tire back on. And take it for a ride because I can get up in here with a wrench and adjust that. And I did find out that because I'm used to working on stuff that's not made in the United States so much, this is all standard size stuff. These were not 10mm, they were 3/8. That's a 1/2 inch, which is kind of surprising because this is a newer. I mean, it's not new. It's from the 90s or something. John Deere tractor. I assumed everything was going to be metric on it, but it's not. So, I'm going to put the tire on, take it for a test drive, adjust the brake. Tightening this makes the brakes work better. Loosening it makes them work less, I guess. So, thanks for watching. Check out some other videos. I'm going to try getting more how-to videos going. I don't film working on other people's stuff. This is going to be for sale. It's actually for sale now. But once it becomes somebody else, I don't film it anymore, just so they don't have to worry about other people seeing their stuff, I guess. Alright, well, thanks for watching. See you on the next one.